The philosophy of naturalism is a view dealing with these three things. The scientific method is the observation, hypothesis, experiment, and analysis process of conducting science. Naturalism is a belief that there is nothing that exists beyond the natural universe. It is a philosophical view that there is no God, nor any sort of God figure. It asserts the view that nothing exists beyond what we can perceive in the universe. And scientism is a reliance on the scientific method as the only reliable source for discovering the truth. Naturalism and the scientific method. Naturalism is a philosophical view that the universe acts independently of a god or any supernatural force. Naturalism emphasizes the laws of nature as the only rules that govern existence. And the scientific method is a process used to discover and obtain knowledge. It is dependent upon what you can observe and what can be perceived in reality. The problem with naturalism and the scientific method is that the scientific method points to something other than what can be perceived in the universe. It points to a design or a creator, and naturalism rules out that possibility before the scientific method is fully expressed. Natural theology is simply a theology that is based on natural revelation rather than special revelation. Romans 1:20 says, "For since the creation of the world his invisible attributes are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even his eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without excuse." Creation clearly displays the attributes of God. Even without special revelation through the Bible, we know that there is a God because he created the universe to reflect himself. Intelligent design and creationism are two different things. Intelligent design is a theory that says the effects of conscious activity can be detected scientifically, and design can be empirically verified. Whereas creationism is an attempt to harmonize the Bible with science. It starts with the Bible as a source document and then attempts empirical justification. Intelligent design isn't necessarily biblical creationism. Intelligent design just means that there is an outside creator, whether it is a god or aliens or the God of the Bible. And creationism is biblical, starts with the Bible. There is no evidence for naturalism. How could you know that there is nothing beyond the physical world? You can't see it, obviously. There is no positive reason to presume naturalism. It limits the possible explanations and really truncates your options when dealing with science. And there's the evolutionary argument against naturalism, which says that evolution aims at survival value, not truth. There are many false beliefs that have survival value. If naturalism and evolution are both true, then in the course of our evolution there would be no filter to weed out false beliefs that have survival value. If there is no filter, then we have a reason to doubt the reliability of our brains, because there is no way to test the reliability of our brains without using our brains. Therefore, we have reason to doubt our brain's conclusions, most notably the conclusion that naturalism and evolution are true. So basically, if evolution is true and naturalism is a true conclusion, there is no way to test the truth of that conclusion, since evolution is aimed at survival rather than truth about reality. these two views are inconsistent with one another, they can't both be true because one stunts the other.